Hey everyone, so welcome to this video, and in this video we'll talk about graph data structure, right? So I'm going to start a playlist for graph data structure, and in that playlist I'll talk about some famous graph algorithms and we'll see a variety of questions on graph. Okay, so here in this video also I'll give you a quick introduction on graph and we'll see what are the differences between graph and trees, right? So here you can see this is a graph, and graph is nothing but it's a combination of vertices and edges. Okay, so here in this graph we have 5 vertices, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we have 7 edges. So these are the edges of graph, right? So you can see this mathematical definition of graph. So it's a combination of vertices and edges, and we can write it like this as well. Since in one graph we can have multiple vertices, okay, so we can write it as v1, then v2, v3 up to vn, and similarly e1, e2, e3 up to en. So this is a combination of vertices and edges, right? Now what are the differences between graph and trees? So in case of graph we can have loops. So this is one loop, 1, 2, 3 and 1. This is another one, 0, 1, 3, 4 and 0. Okay, this is another one, 0, 1, 4, then 0. So in case of graph loops are possible, but in case of trees it is not. So this is how tree looks like. Okay, this is the root node, and this is left child, and this is right child. Okay, so in case of trees loops are not possible. And one more thing is that trees, every trees can be graph, but every graph cannot be trees. Okay, it means that trees are the subset of graph. So let's say this is graph, so, and this is tree. Okay, so this circle is the subset of this, the bigger circle. Okay, so trees are the subset of graph. This is very important. So that's it for this video. Thank you.